name is Susiana. She enjoyed going to the neighboring islands, visiting family and friends, taking up the local culture, like surfing, making lays, going fishing, all the things we enjoy. She's got such pretty eyes, just right for me. Oh, hey, oh, hey, Susiana E. She's got such pretty eyes, just right for me. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, Susiana E. Oh, we gather flowers to string some lace beneath the palm trees, Susiana E. We gather flowers to string some lace beneath the palm trees, Susiana E. We go out surfing down at Waikiki. Those whispering waves call Susiana E. We go out surfing down at Waikiki. Those whispering waves call Susiana E. We go out fishing down Kealakekua Bay beneath the moonlight, Susiana E. We go out fishing down Kealakekua Bay beneath the moonlight, Susiana E. Kamaʻāina ia mai ana ka puana, au e au e Susiana E. Kamaʻāina ia mai ana ka puana, au e Susiana E. Yeah, a little Susiana for all of you. And a hapa hau this side of Island contemporary music. Once again, aloha no. Welcome again to the beautiful ʻIolani Palace, our sovereign area, the beauty of our ali'i of the past, the music, the mele, the hula, the art of Hawaiian dance. Once again, my name is Blaine Kia, along with some of my halau hamana of Kamaʻāina Malia.